Headset ready, excitement high. Then error 450 pops up. But here is the twist. The fix isn't what most gamers think. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Steam VR error 450 looks intimidating, but here are the clear, proven steps to resolve error 450 so you can get back to exploring VR worlds without interruptions. Method 1. Enable Steam VR Beta Update. Steam VR Beta versions often include bug fixes and patches for common errors. Opting into the beta program can quickly resolve error code 450. Here is how to do so. Launch the Steam application on your PC. Navigate to your library. Locate Steam VR in the list of installed apps. Right-click on Steam VR and select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Game Versions and Betas tab. Select Steam VR Beta Update. Method 2. Configure your private network. A properly configured private network ensures your PC communicates smoothly with trusted devices at home. This step lays the foundation for resolving Steam VR connectivity issues. Here is what to do. Open your PC's network settings using Windows Search. Switch your connection type to private network. Confirm that your PC can freely communicate with other devices in your home network. Method 3. Check firewall and VPN settings. Firewalls and VPNs can sometimes block Steam VR's connection. Temporarily disabling them helps identify if they are the cause of the error. Here is what to do. Disable your firewall or VPN temporarily. Since it is always recommended not to disable firewall and antivirus as your system is vulnerable to malicious threats without them, make sure to enable them soon after. Type Windows Defender Firewall in the Windows search box and select the top option. Click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Ensure you disable Windows Defender Firewall both private and public network settings. Save the changes by clicking on OK. In case you use Windows Security, type Windows Security in the search menu and select the first option. Select Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Manage Settings from the Virus and Threat Protection settings. From the next window, turn off the toggle for real-time protection. From the next USE prompt, select Yes. If you have any other third-party antivirus software, make sure to turn it off too. Test Steam VR to see if the error is resolved. If Steam VR works correctly, re-enable your firewall. If you are using a VPN service, then disable it and check if that helps. Method 4. Troubleshoot the GPU drivers. Next, troubleshoot the graphics drivers to ensure the GPU handles the encoding load. Right-click on the Windows Search button and choose Device Manager. Go to the Display Adapters section and then expand it. Right-click on your graphics driver, select the Update Driver option. Click on the Search Automatically for Drivers option and follow the instructions provided on screen to download and install the latest driver. If updating graphics drivers doesn't work, you can reinstall them. Expand the Display Adapters section and right-click on your graphics driver. Click on the Uninstall Device option and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. For the AMD graphics driver, install the Radeon app, then run it. Similarly, for NVIDIA graphics drivers, install and run the GeForce Experience. You should visit the official websites of your graphics card manufacturer to update your graphics card drivers. These websites are linked in the description below. Download the latest drivers for the graphics card installed on the computer from these websites. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the driver installation process. Once done, restart your PC. Then rerun the app to check for any updates. If any updates are available, download and install them. And that's it. Steam VR error 450 isn't the showstopper it pretends to be. Most fixes take minutes, not hours. If this guide helped you reclaim your VR session, hit like, subscribe for more veteran-tested solutions, and share your own Steam VR error stories in the comments. Because your experience might be the key that helps someone else. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you up in the next one.